Good day viewers at home. In today's tutorial, I will show you step-by-step approach to making these beautiful sleeves. Without wasting much of your time, let's cut to the chase.
So after you must have cutting out your fabric, the sleeves you want to use. So while cutting it, there is something you have to do. After the actual measurement you normally measure for your sleeves, the actual measurement, we are going to add extra 5 inches or 6 inches, depending on how wide you want that design to be. So you add extra 6 inches. So for my own here, I have the actual measurement to be 29.5. So 29.5, I added extra 6 inches to it. Extra 6 inches. So the wideness here, the back of my customer is 9, which is 18. So I added 1 inch extra as wideness. This one will just be extra allowance. So now, next thing you are going to do is just to do the pleating. Let's quickly pleat the area where we wanted to pleat now. So at the mouth here, you make sure you weave it, weave the edge here. So after weaving, you fold your 2.5 or 2, depending on how wide you want it to be. 2.5 or 2. So now I'm using 2/4. Let me use 2/4. Then the next thing is just to apply your hemming gum. Then the next thing is just to fold. Let me turn it this way. So I want the extra inches that will be left to be 1/2 quarter. Half quarter. So just fold this. Then you turn it backward. Then target your line. So the next thing you are going to do again is just to apply your hemming gum. Apply your hemming gum here, and you are done. So you have this. So the next thing is just to sew it. Sew this top, and you are done. So what you are going to do next is just to cut out your sleeves. You have this. So this is what we finally have. Don't forget, we said our sleeves, the measurement, we said it is 29.5. 29.5. So taking away the back measurements and measure the remaining one, I finally have 30 here. I finally have 30. That means that you are taking away half inch from here while considering your measurements. Half inch from here, you cut away half inch, and then you bring out your sleeves. So it now depends on how you cut your own sleeves, because there are variations. There are different ways of cutting sleeves. So you can now use your method, the method that suits your own way. So for my own cap's height, I use 9 as my cap's height. So then you do that. So then we are done. Here is the results. So it's just to sew this, and then we have our beautiful sleeves. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and then don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that each time we upload a new video, you will get updated. Thank you so much. Till next time when we shall be meeting, I say cheers.